Good morning, Miss. My name is Loindran, son of Permalu, matrix number 01DDT20F2071. My group members is Kirtana Malar, daughter of Ravichandran, matrix number 01DDT20F2072, and Renuga, daughter of Shankar, 01DDT20F2067. Today, I want to present about IoT in manufacturing. What is IoT in manufacturing? IoT in manufacturing helps manufacturing units in improving their manufactured product quality, increasing productivity, and reducing manufacturing costs. It is one of the driving technologies behind the industry. Secondly, what is the industrial Internet of Things? IoT in production or manufacturing activities is used by connecting the machines with various types of sensors such as temperature sensor, pressure, and vibration. These connected sensors send real-time machine data to the cloud. This is the diagram about the IoT in manufacturing. So, the production floor, machines, air conditioning, lighting, the IoT gateway, the PLC or PLMs, and other sensor data like temperature, vibration, pressure, some other health parameters is go to the data analyst, and from data analyst go for machine quality monitoring, then the real-time machine data and alerts for predictive maintenance, so it's go for the manager. Now I want to present about what is temperature sensors and for what it using in manufacturing device. Temperature sensors measure the amount of heat energy in a source, allowing them to detect temperature changes and convert these changes to data. Machinery used in manufacturing often requires environmental and device temperatures to be at specific level. Similarly, within agriculture, soil temperature is a key factor for crop growth.
Hi Miss, I am Renuga here. My metric number is 01DDT20F2067. Now I would like to present benefit of IoT in manufacturing. The connected factory brain spots begun. IoT enable machine and endpoints are capable of communicating operational information to personnel both inside and peripheral to your organization. That include machine operator, manager, field service personnel, and even partner like supplier, subcontractor, and OEM. This connectivity delivers mission critical data and information to operation manager and factory leadership on site and out of office. The power to control operation and manage factory activity on a remote level increase optimization for process optimizations and automation. View the connected factory in action in productive at manufacturing tomorrow. The production visibility identify bottleneck and improve process. When it comes to production, the continuous monitoring of process that IoT connectivity provides will enable improvement to be made on a rolling basis. Hang time in assembly and manufacturing operation gain particular benefit when bottlenecks are identified and adjustment can be made in nearly real time to realize better approach to product management and the reduction of operational costs. Additionally, part waste is reduced alongside fewer resource tied up in inventory and better overall product delivery. Some organization IoT connectivity will lead to a 15% productivity increase in delivery and supply chain performance.
Hello, my name is Kirtana Malar, daughter of Ravichandran. My metric number is 01DDT20F2072. Today, I would like to explain about my part, benefit of IoT. Question number 3, better inventory management, find it fast from anywhere. With technologies like RFID and IoT connectivity, personal tasks with managing inventory can leverage automated asset tracking and reporting through ERP to avoid the costly mistakes that can't work within adequate inventory tracking system. These connectivities allows item to be tracked and the data recorded to the ERP system automatically. These performance management capabilities made possible through IoT connectivity and ERP can help organizations reduce the number of working hours committed to inventory management each month and reduce the probability of human error. Track your stock from shop to dock with IoT technologies in your facilities. Number 4. Build a safer work environment. While there are no doubts that IoT connectivity and ERP improve productions on the factory floors, these technologies can also help create a safer working environment for employees. This can be in form of vision and socialized awareness system for human machine interactions or wearable safety technology. Your staff keep on their person throughout the days. There are several safety concerns in any manufacturing facility. IoT connect devices can communicate to larger systems within the organizations of aberrations such as too much vibrations or heat being exhibited from machines or pressure loss within piping segments and even gas leaks that might be otherwise undetectable to human perception. These are only a handful of examples of how IoT for manufacture can improve safety in your facility. Number 5. Secure your facilities. With a growing number of bad actors participating in malicious attacks on manufacturers across the globe, manufacturing facilities security is a topic of conversations every organization should be discussing. IoT provides manufacturers with a way to monitor their data coming into the system as well as going out. Terminals and endpoints can signal foreign devices being connected to infrastructure, large amounts of data being moved, and individuals accessing data they otherwise shouldn't have access to. Leveraging IoT for manufacturers can help guard against security threats to viral hardware, software, and also cloud stored data. You can even manage devices and policies throughout an enterprise from a single point using it connectivity. Thank you.